Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Paradise. In this video, we are going to see how you can create 3D live motion photos that turn boring, still images into eye-catching moving videos. Now there are two apps included in this package, 3D Motion Photos and Live Motion Photos. In this video, we will be focusing on the Live Motion Photos app. Let us get started. Just click on Start Application. Once you are inside, you can either upload an image from your computer or search from the stock photos. Let us go ahead and click on Stock Photos and search for something. For example, let us type dust car and click on Search. You will see a lot of image options appear. For this example, let us quickly choose one of these images. You can also select the size, landscape, square, mobile, or free crop. In this case, let us choose landscape at Proceed. Give it a second to load. Now, what we want to do here is make the smoke move. So essentially, we are adding motion to the smoke. There are two main tools here. Draw direction at Pinpoint. I recommend starting with Pinpoint. Use it to mark the areas you do not want to animate. In this case, we do not want the car to move, so let us quickly mark it. Great. Now that it is marked, switch to Draw Direction. Here, you will define how the smoke should move. For example, I want the smoke to move in this direction. Go ahead and draw the direction lines across the smoke. Once you are done, hit play, and you will start to see the magic happen. As you can see, the smoke is now moving. You can adjust the speed using the controls. Increase or decrease it, depending on your preference. For now, let us keep it at 1. You can also add text to your video. Write anything you want and customize it. Change the font, color, size, opacity, make it bold or italic, and more. If you do not want the text, simply delete it. You can also insert images from your computer or remove objects. For example, if you do not want an element like an arrow, just select it and delete it. If you ever want to reset everything, just click the Reset button. You can also add extra effects like snow, rose petals, smoke, birds, butterflies, and many more. There are lots of creative options available. For example, let us quickly add a snow effect. Just click on it and give it a few seconds to apply. Now you can see the effect added, and the motion is working perfectly. How cool is that? This is the power of the 3D Live Motion Photos app. Once you are happy with everything, click on Export. Then choose your loop duration, how long you want the video to be. For this example, let us set it to 10 seconds. Now click on Download Video. Your video will be rendered and downloaded. Alright, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.